It is these moments that I look forward to in the garden at night, when the lights light up and the sky is blue. As a gardener, the soothing of the sounds at night, when things just light up. I know you can't see specifically what it looks like as I walk throughout my garden, but there is moments where the lights are very soothing. This is the peace that some gardeners feel. You'll only understand if you've dug in the ground. Look at that beautiful sky. Spent hours, moments in the garden. Over time, the joy grows. The excitement gets louder. And we live like children, anxious for the next plant, the next digging, the next pruning, the moment to seed. This is the moments, nighttime.